Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand photos using Lightroom presets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Import the brand photos you want to authenticate by clicking on the Import button. Select the folder containing your images and click Import. Once your photos are in the library, select the first image you want to edit. Navigate to the Develop module by clicking on the Develop tab in the top right corner. Next, locate the Presets panel on the left side of the screen. Choose a preset that aligns with your brand's identity and style. Click on the preset to apply it to your selected photo. Observe how the preset affects the overall appearance of the image. Make adjustments as necessary using the sliders in the right panel for exposure, contrast, and other settings. Once you are satisfied with the look, move on to the next image. Repeat the process of applying the preset and making necessary adjustments for each photo. If you want to batch edit, you can select multiple images in the library view. Apply the same preset to the selected group by using the Sync Settings feature. Check the sync box to ensure all adjustments are applied consistently across the selected photos. After editing, review each image to ensure they all meet your quality standards. Once everything looks great, navigate back to the Library module. Select the images you want to export by holding the Control key and clicking each one. Click on the Export button in the bottom left corner. In the Export dialog, choose your file format and quality settings. Select your desired location to save the exported images. Click Export to save your authenticated brand photos. You can now use these images for your marketing, social media, or other branding purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.